going to pick up Lawrie apparently. I don't know why he can't drive himself there, but doubtless I'll get some kind of excuse, I suppose.
Thanks for coming and picking me up.
You're quite welcome, but why am I doing this again?
Because I don't have anything that works.
You do. Jupiter works fine.
Okay, yeah, but Jupiter isn't available right now.
Right.
Which is something we'll cover in the future, but safe to say.
Safe to say I'm the only one who can drive on the channel, apparently.
Yeah, I mean, it's very on brand.
Yeah, that's very true. Yeah. You're keeping with the theme. I'm kind of letting the side down, I suppose, a little bit.
But yeah, by having something that continues to... Well, you're particularly letting the side down because you're having something that's working after it pretends to die.
I know, yeah.
All right, that's... On the other hand, I am covering the train side of things.
Yeah.
Which is awful. Absolutely awful.
I mean, I'm glad it's you, not me. This is about all I'll say with that.
Yeah, I didn't enjoy it either. But we are at least together now.
Yeah.
And from here to the beach.
Beach?
The beach.
Right.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to LMM for a somewhat momentous occasion.
You see, we've now hit 50,000 subscribers, and, well, we just can't thank you enough for that.
We are absolutely flabbergasted. We never thought that it would get here, and the fact that so many of you people have subscribed, enjoy watching the videos, leave comments and get involved is just beyond anything we ever thought was possible.
The only problem we have with this is that 50,000 is, well, it's a very large number, and we're really having trouble visualising just what that is.
Yeah, it's very difficult. So we've come to Clapton-on-Sea. It's not just a nice day out for me and Matt, but actually this town has a population of just over 50,000 people.
And just to show you how many people this is, well, we've got this for you.
And to reiterate, it's basically everyone here has subscribed to LMM.
Well, not in this town.
Do you mean this isn't our demographic full stop?
No, our demographic is not just Clacton, it's bigger than that.
Oh, I thought things were going to be really easy.
Bigger than that, but also the same size.
I see. Looking at this does really help show us just how many of you there are. And it's absolutely mind-numbingly large amount of people. We cannot believe it.
Yes, thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. It's been a fantastic journey we've been on, and yeah, enjoy some of these clips coming up and showing you just where we've come from on the channel.
And some of our favourite bits as well. Some of the bits we really enjoyed. Oh, and also to all of our Patreons, to you wonderful people, thank you so much. An extra special thank you to you. Without you guys, the channel would not have got this far.
You don't understand how much of a difference you make to our lives, and we hope we can bring something enjoyable for you in the process.
Thank you very much, guys, and enjoy the clips. Next up is 100k.
Yeah, well, next up is trying to get off these rocks. I don't know why we decided to shoot in the middle of the ocean. I think the tide's coming in.
Oh, it is. Oh,
oh dear.
Oh no.
Of course, LMM all started back with JM on cars. And in truth, it was with JM where some of my greatest adventures began, or certainly some of my biggest headaches.
Hello, guys.
Who can forget going to pick up Red Roof? Or the fact that when I was banned from buying more cars, I bought Sir William. And to fit in with the theme that he was going through at the time of Lotus, I acquired my Lotus Elite. And it was on James's channel I started to do my own content.
Hello everybody, and welcome to your weekly JM supplement, which 9 out of 10 doctors say is just as good as the original thing.
And who can forget this moment?
Oh my god. Oh, f***ing me. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Oh.
And during this time, more stuff arrived in the shed. And who will ever forget the first time we fired Jeb? Although I was a regular feature on JM's channel, featuring things like this road roller, it quickly became apparent that the people that are interested in things like this are not the same people who are interested in the thing that JM wanted to show on his channel. And so the decision was made that I would split and begin my own channel, a competition being held on his channel for the name. And we chose LMM. And thus, which you may remember started off with a look at Jeb. And although we'd gone our separate ways, it didn't mean that me and JM were any less of good friends. Something that was proved when we headed off to America together, which resulted in the shooting of our first real viral video, which at the time of recording this has had over 250,000 views.
Right, let's give it a try. And oh my god!
This of course led to making friends with the locals.
So, I found a working American vehicle, and the only logical... Hey, what are you doing in my truck? Hi, I'm really sorry. That's my truck, you need to get out of here! Okay. I'm gonna get you!
JM and I, and our host Trey, had an amazing set of adventures whilst we were in the States. And of course you can see the vehicles that we drove if you go back through the archives of LMM drives.
Hang a minute. Are you telling me this is better than an MR2?
Yeah.
Glad that's on film.
It is though, isn't it? The space shuttle is.
I came straight back from America for my loco to disappear off to go and open a new heritage railway. And by this time, we were starting to get a fairly good idea of who we were and what it is that we did. Which is...
Cars!
Cars?
Fire engines! Trains!
propelled vehicle!
And since then, it's really gone from strength to strength, including high moments like finding this forgotten dump truck, to the moment that we got it fired back up again. The channel has captured some absolutely massive moments in my life, like renaming my locomotive in honour of the man I bought it from.
Well, very, very good.
And huge highlights for us all, like when the community stepped up and saved this massive 40 from scrap. It's also allowed us to have amazing adventures, like lemons. And we've managed to see some wonderful sights and hang out with cool people with cool cars. But it doesn't mean that everything always goes right for us.
Oh. Can we get back to that car park? You enjoying yourself? Or the mud?
Oh no!
Oh dear! Oh! Oh, did your foot just go? Yeah. Hold on, show.
Why are you guys come this way?
Oh, hello. What have you just pulled out of my car? What is that? Why is that even? What?
That also came out.
Yeah, that's not quite impressive a piece of epoxy plate, is it?
Well, it wouldn't be LMM without a breakdown. But it's not me! It's Matt in the MR2, the alternator's gone.
But it does make those moments when things actually work all the more sweet, like any successful trip in the fire engine. And being able to actually use the digger for some of the stuff it was meant for. And testing the little battery tug and finding it isn't entirely useless.
Right. Yes! It doesn't stop you very well, no. That might be our mounting system, though.
Let's try that again.
And perhaps my favourite, restarting the Ruston. Much to my great joy, we've been able to bring you a huge variety of locomotives on the channel, and we have many more to show you yet. we are, guys. 50,000 subscribers, which means there is but one thing left to do.
You're so proud of that, aren't you?
I genuinely am.
And to be honest, we're very proud as well, just to have got here all this time. It kind of makes it all worthwhile.
It does. It's truly amazing. And on the subject of the shirts, for a limited time only until we get to 51,000 subs, this shirt will be available with the correct tick off.
Well, if we can get it up in time before 51k. I mean, we're not normally known for being on time with things, we do know.
That's true. But the idea is it will be up until 51k and then it will be gone forever and be replaced with our new target on it.
100k maybe?
100k sounds about right. So go on to Teespring, the link's in the video description, and get yourself one of the limited edition shirts and help support us here. And again, to all of you,
thank you so much.
Right, 100k?
Yeah, we've got to get you back to the railway station. Well, you could walk. What's that?
Way to celebrate. Walking.
Ipswich is the other way.
I knew that.